Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today as well, I am here to continue indirect speech. Reported speech. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully and learning the things that is coming for you. So, today let's talk about new things. When the words related to third person, like he, she, any, they, my father, my brother, my sister, my teacher, and many others, right? In the reported speech, that means when you people find the words related to he, she, any name, they, that may be himself, his, him, herself, them, themselves, like this. So they remain unchanged. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में जब ये वर्ड्स आते हैं सो इट रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड, ये बदलता नहीं है. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई विल बी मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल. सो प्लीज जस्ट हैव अ लुक. I said to you, commas begin, he is coming to me. He is coming to me. Full stop. Inverted comma close. So please just take a look on the example. I said to you, inverted comma start, reported speech, he is coming to me. So look at the subject of reported speech, that is he. Just few seconds back I was letting you know, whenever you people find the words related to third person, he, she, any name, so here comes he, that remains unchanged. Now I just make indirect speech. I told you that he was coming. He was coming to me. He was coming to me. So my dear students, said to becomes told, and after the removal of comma, inverted comma, we have used that here, and as here comes he, right, the subject of reported speech, that is remaining unchanged, as I told you just now. So look at the tense of reported speech, that is in present continuous. That has got to be changed into past continuous as per the rule. So I told you, मैंने तुम्हें बताया था कि he was coming to me, he मेरे पास आ रहा था. Now I'll be having some more examples as well. Please just get continued. I said to him, commas begin, they were playing cricket. They were playing cricket. In the ground. Ground. They were playing cricket in the ground. Full stop. Inverted comma close. So one more example. I have taken. Please just have a look. Said to becomes told. I told. I told him. I told him that. Now again you see in the reported speech, this time here comes they. THEY. तो दे हमारा थर्ड पर्सन होता है और मैंने आपको बताया था जस्ट फ्यू सेकेंड्स बैक व्हेन द वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू दे ही शी राइट you find in a reported speech, so it remains unchanged. थर्ड पर्सन जब भी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में आएगा दैट ऑलवेज रिमेन अनचेंज्ड, so it's not going to be changed. That they. Now look at the tense. Look at the tense of reported speech, that is in past continuous. As per the rule, it has got to be changed into past perfect continuous. क्योंकि past continuous बदल जाता है past perfect continuous में. So what is going to be changed into had been. They had been. They had been playing cricket. Playing cricket. CRICK. They had been playing cricket in the ground. In the ground. So my dear students, this example lets us know about third person and reported speech. So said to becomes told. After the removal comma inverted comma, we have used that here. They, that remains unchanged. They हमारा नहीं बदलता है. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous as per the rule, right? Playing cricket in the ground. Fine. I hope you must have understood. Now let us move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं बेटा. One more example I'll be having to make you understand. I said to my friend, I said to my friend, commas begin, inverted commas start. She will help me. She will help me. Full stop, inverted comma, close. So my dear students, this time as well, in reported speech you see here comes the subject of a reported speech, that is she. So that will also remain unchanged. ये भी नहीं बदलेगा as it is third person as per the rule. So now let's make it. I told my friend. I told my friend that she unchanged. ये क्या है बेटा? Unchanged. That is remaining unchanged. I told my friend that she will becomes would. She would help me. So said to becomes told. After the removal of comma inverted comma, we have used conjunction that. She remains unchanged and will becomes would. Fine. So this time as well, my dear students, you must have seen third person, that is she, remains unchanged. इस बार भी जो she है वो नहीं बदला है. हमने and will का would बनाया as per the rule. I told my friend, मैंने अपने दोस्त को बताया था that कि she would help me, she मेरी मदद करेगी. So my dear students, today I have taught you, whenever you find the words related to third person, he, she, any name, himself, herself, him, his, them, themselves, so they remain unchanged. I hope you must have understood. So thank you very much.